Today I'm going to be giving everyone a tour of the Tiernan field house. Let's go inside. So you walk in, this is the lobby. There are exercise bikes down here, this area out to the pool. And then if you come this way, we have the kitchen as well as the wellness room, where there's not one, not two, but 3 massage chairs. I really love this space because it's super quiet and chill. It's a great space to come study or take a nap, or get a massage. Tiernan hosts a lot of events such as Therapeutic Thursdays and Flick and Float. This area, they also have a Pilates, Zumba / yoga studio, as well like dance classes can be hosted there. We've got the pool deck, and our pool is usually used for recreation but can also be used for practices. On the second floor, we've got most of the workout equipment, Stairmasters, treadmills, exercise bikes. It's really a chill vibe, I would say, in Tiernan compared to the other gyms on campus, which makes it my favorite. Our official name is the Sally Tiernan Fieldhouse rather than the Sally Tiernan Gym because we're focused on holistic wellness. So our lower level is more so dedicated to mental health and emotional well-being, and our upper level is more going to be like that physics, that physical area of well-being, like the physical aspect of a gym. So this is another deck you can use to work out if the other one is crowded. And I also like to point out our parents' field as well as our volleyball court. So fun to go play on. I definitely suggest checking it out.